Good day, everyone. In this video, I will present my Java AWT project. For this task, I designed a doctor's dashboard interface, which is partly as a clinic management system project na mo nga gibuhat tong una. So, the purpose of this demo is para ipakita ang GUI design built entirely using Java AWT components. Wala siya back-end functionality or database integration. So, the doctor's dashboard was chosen because it is one of the most important modules in my system. It allows doctors to monitor appointments, view notification, and update appointment statuses. So, pag ira na to ang program, which is mupapap dayon ang doctor's dashboard. So, naara. So, the layout of this interface is gigamitan og Java AWT border layout and grid layout managers. So, at the very top, kani, we have the title label, Doctor Dashboard. So, below that, the interface is divided into three main panels: notification, appointment summary, and then appointments. Using this layout manager ensures that components are aligned properly and the interface remains clean and easy to understand. So first is the notification panel. This panel show any recent updates such as when a new appointment has been scheduled. So for example, nadriya sa display is new appointment with Shandeline Havana ay Shandeline on 2025-0601 at 3:17. So, mana example sa notification. Then, I intentionally keep the notification box height small so that it fits naturally at the top of the dashboard instead of taking up too much space. So, mauna. Then, I use the text area components here but restricted it on a one row. This way, it behaves more like a notification box rather than a large text editor. Then, on the right side, we see the delete button. Yes, the delete button. I applied a red background and when text to emphasize that it is a critical action, even though this button doesn't perform an action yet. In the future, it would allow doctors to clear old and unnecessary notification. So, wala pa siya ay function karon pero pag ikuan na nako ni, so mabuhatan na nig function, so ma-delete na ang mga dapat i-delete nga notification, mga spam notification, pwede na siya i-delete. The next is the um, appointment summary kani. This provides doctor with a quick overview of their appointments. So here I use grid layout with three columns to evenly display three key statistics: the total number of appointments, today's appointments, and upcoming appointments. In our example here, total appointments is 1. Then, ang today's appointments is 0 and upcoming appointments is 1. So, below the statistics, I place a chart, placeholder right. It simply show a table with a light blue and background and a chart icon. So here it is. This section would be replaced by graphical chart, drawn in AWT or connected to live data from the system. So next is appointment table panel. So the third and the largest section is the appointment table. This panel is structured with grid layout of 2 rows and 6 columns. The first row is for column headers, while the second row is the appointments data. Then, for example, we have an appointment listed. The patient is Shandeline. The date is the date is 2025 6/23. Then the time is 3:17 and the reason of the consultation. For the status column, I use the choice component in AWT which is drop down menu. So na drop down menu dira. The option are pending completed and cancelled. So that's a drop down menu. So in the action column, I created a vertical panel with 3 buttons: save status, save note, and export PDF. Kani, mo ni siya. So all of these buttons are styled with a green background and white text, consistent with the design I showed in my web dashboard screenshot. While these buttons don't have functionality yet, they represent common doctor's actions: saving updates, adding notes, and exporting records for reporting. Let me briefly explain some of the design choice. First is I focus on simplicity and clarity. Doctors need to see their schedule quickly without distraction. So the layout is straightforward and organized into 3 clear sections. Second is I use color carefully: red for delete to indicate caution, green for save action to indicate success, and blue for the background and chart section to make the interface calm and easy to on the eye. Third is I choose AWT layout managers like grid layout and border layout because they make it easier to align components properly and avoid messy design. Technically, this program is written in Java and use only AWT components: frame, panel, label. So here's the label, the panel, text area, button, um, yes, mara ni siya, nara button. Then, there are no backend or database functionality yet, since the task required is only GUI design. However, these components can later be connected to database to make dashboard fully functional. So I also added a window listener, which is this, so that the program ex- exits cleanly with the window is closed. To conclude this demo, I showed the doctor's dashboard GUI created using Java AWT. The interface includes 3 main sections: notification, appointment summary, and appointments. I paid attention to layout, alignment, and color consistency to ensure a user-friendly design. Although there is no back-end functionality yet, this design provides a strong foundation that can be extended in the future by connecting to a database and implementing real actions for the buttons. So that's it. That's my presentation. Thank you for watching my demo.